What do you get when you cross model building with a 3D topographic map? Eugy models. These simple, colorful models are built by stacking layers of sturdy cardboard printed with eco-friendly inks to create fantasy animals, dinosaurs, sea creatures, and more. Most models are somewhat symmetrical and are built by assembling one half, then the other from the middle out. Simply punch out the layers, add a bit of the included glue between each layer, place the eyes, and display. The slim box fits neatly in a stocking and makes a great rainy day activity for kids ages 6 and up.